Hey guys, the ME team has been hard at work trying to finish the earthquake simulation table for the upcoming challenges in March. We've finished manufacturing and machining all of our parts, and now we're moving on to the electronics. Currently we have two motors that are controlling two different axes of movement perpendicular to each other. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we've been working on over the last couple of weeks.
In order to control the speed of the motors that we will be using to move the table, we will be using an Arduino. An Arduino is a microcontroller which can be programmed to respond to any kind of sensor, such as a button or a dial. A motor shield connects to the Arduino. This allows the Arduino to control both the direction and the speed of the motors. In this case, we will be using the Arduino to turn the motors on and off with a button and change their speed with a dial.
The materials you'll be using to build your earthquake-resistant structures will be provided to you at the challenge. We're currently working on picking the materials, but here are a couple of options that you might encounter.
One example of potential material could be dry spaghetti noodles or marshmallows, or perhaps noodles and gumdrops. How can you incorporate the last lessons to build with a structure with these materials? Let's look at another concept that you can use in your design.
Here are two different structures that we have built out of spaghetti and gumdrops. Which do you think will tip more easily? If you guessed the tall structure, you are correct. This is because the tall structure has a higher center of gravity. The center of gravity is the point at which the entire weight of an object may be thought of as centered, so that if supported at this point, the object will be perfectly balanced. A higher center of gravity means the easier a structure can tip. How will you incorporate this into your own design, and which do you think would withstand the highest earthquake?
Only a little over 2 weeks until the first challenge, and we are very excited to see what kind of structures you can come up with. We will be showing you our fourth and final video on the day of the challenge, and we really hope to see you there. Until then, ME team signing out.